We are getting ready to roll out this morning. It's a beautiful day. It's nice and calm right now. We are expecting winds and a slight chance of showers a little later on today, and definitely windy over the next day or two. We are just double checking that we've got everything ready to go. Here's River waiting for us to leave. This is the only way we can get her to stop barking, is to let her be in the car, and then she will wait quietly. She's ready to roll. All right, we are in Valley of Fire. We just entered the park. We're gonna take a little drive around. The campgrounds are probably full, but we're gonna go see anyways. The storm is here. It's coming in right behind me here. You can hear the thunder moving in. It's coming. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock. It turned out to be not too bad of an afternoon. The wind has died down and we got partly cloudy skies. Nobody's here, so pretty nice. We're at Echo Bay, down by the water. Dinner is underway. Here's another tip for scampers. Foil pockets. They are the best. We have sausage and red and green peppers and onions in foil pockets. Put some coals on top. They are just about ready to flip. 5 more minutes. Dinner will be ready soon. No cleanup. Just throw everything away when you're done. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. All right, dinner is served. Here is our sausage and peppers and onions on a hoagie roll from the foil packet. It looks delicious, just needs a little squirt of mustard. Good to go. Yeah. Camping with dogs, right? Mm-hmm. This is one creepy abandoned motel. All I can say is I'm glad we're here before dark. EMF detector was just going off.
Who's here with me right now? Can you make that light up to red again? Thank you. Don't mean you any disrespect. Just wanted to stop by and say hello. Make it light up to red one more time. Thank you.
Valentine's Day. We're at Snowbird Mesa, checking it out. I think this is going to be a great spot. We'll be back. Lots of campers here this weekend, but great boondocking. The views are amazing. Lake Mead is right there. Take a look. And here's what camping with dogs is like. Yes, she has her own camping chair. The sun is going down. She's buried in her blankets. Hi, Missy. Dinner's almost ready. Well, it's going home day. It's been a great weekend. President's Day, Valentine's Day 2021. We've really enjoyed exploring the area around Lake Mead. We did some great recon yesterday for future trips. We have never boondocked before, but after exploring yesterday, I think we're ready to take the next step. So we've saw some beautiful places. We're all loaded up. We're gonna head out.
mattress than it is on your sleeping bag.
Oh.
There's puddles. He's just tripping.